This video is sponsored by DGRT. It can be a pain to transfer files from your iPhone to your Windows PC. All of my most recent videos have been filmed on my iPhone, and I've been using the WinX Media Trans to transfer those high quality videos from my iPhone to my Windows PC easily. Yes, very easily, like no flaws. In this video I'll show you how to use the WinX Media Trans. Timestamps and links to everything that I discuss in this video will be in the description. So if you see something that sparks your interest, then feel free to check it out. To download this software, a free copy will be in the description and pinned in the comment section. So go ahead and get yourself that free copy. There'll also be a link to get up to 30% off the full version if you really like this software, and trust me, you will. To install this software, go to the link in my description and then click on free download. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and install it. Once it's installed, you can either use the free version or the full version, which give you more features. I am using the full version here. Now, to transfer photos and videos using this software, all you need to do is connect your iPhone to your computer. I'll be using my Lightning port to USB-C cable to do that. Once it's connected, you'll see it appear right here. It is also showing my battery percentage right here, and it's pretty accurate because my phone is currently at 75 and it is saying 74, so quite accurate. Now just click on photo transfer and give it some time. Here you'll see that these are my photos for today, which are from wallpaper from Chevron Salmon and a photo of that truck that I saw today, which looked like it's ready for the zombie apocalypse that's coming soon. Now let's say I just want to put these on my computer. All you need to do is highlight the ones that you want and hit export. I can export and convert to JPEG at the same time also. If I want, I could change the file path in which these are saved in settings. I like how this software shows all your albums that would be in your Photos app. From deleted items to even hidden item, everything is on here. To transfer videos, just go back home and click on Video Manager and give it some time to load up. Highlight which video you want and hit export. To transfer videos to your iPhone, just simply drag and drop the video that you want to transfer, then click on sync so that it's on your phone. To transfer music, just go back home and click on Music Manager, then click on Add Music and add which music you want. You can also go ahead and make it your ringtone by just going here to the icon that says Make Ringtone and click on it. Then click Make Ringtone and then click Sync, and then unplug your iPhone and then go to Settings on your iPhone, and you should see it as a ringtone option, and just click on it to add it. Alexa, call my phone.
Calling Danielle.
You can do so much more with this software, such as transfer, create music playlists, convert music to MP3. This is not just for the latest iPhone. You're able to do this with almost all the iPhones that are out now, from iPhone 5 to the latest version of iPhone that is out now. And not only the iPhone you can do this with, you can do it with the iPad Air, the iPad Mini and the iPad Pro. So yes, you can transfer files to and from your Apple mobile devices easily and convert video format to whatever is compatible with the software that you want to import it in. You can also compress the video size for the Apple, convert from HEIC photo to JPEG photos at very fast speed. I tell you guys, I transfer like 100 pictures in like less than 10 seconds. And I'm not kidding. And I also convert them in that same time. And this is not just to transfer image, videos and audios. You can also transfer ebooks, audiobooks and convert EP, UB to PDF and TXT for iPhone and Windows. If you're like me, I would definitely check this software out. It works flawlessly as if it was a official Apple software. I can see this being very useful if you just want to organize all the files on your phone or just want to back up your iPhone on your computer. Another feature that I find to be really cool is that you can encrypt any file that you want so that it is safe and secure. You can do so much with your iPhone and your Windows PC with just this software. Remember, if you're interested in this software, a link will be in the description and pinned in the comment section to get a free copy. Also, if you want to get the full version, there will be a link to get up to 33% off. In the full version of the software, you'll be able to get faster transfer speed, which lets you transfer 100 4K photos in just 8 seconds. You can back up your iPhone to your PC, which will save you from having to pay a monthly iPhone subscription. You can also get the auto convert video to MP4 and the HEIC to JPEG, and also remove DRM. I have run into issues before where my iPhone photos and videos are not compatible with that program, so that converter will be handy if you use your iPhone a lot to make content. Let me know in the comment section if you are using this software and what are you using it for. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave your questions in the comment section. Peace.